Wagner's Complete Auto and Tire, Inc. 815-494-0076 Wagner's Complete Auto and Tire.com. As a vehicle owner, it is vitally important that you have regular maintenance performed on your vehicle. Without proper maintenance, your vehicle will be a lot more likely to be prone to more serious problems in the future that could lead to costing you big bucks. Likely, when you can least afford it. Getting routine maintenance done on your vehicle will highly reduce the risk of serious problems occurring in the future as well as improve the driving quality of your vehicle. There are a number of auto service tasks that need to be performed on a regular basis. Some of the most important maintenance tasks are easy to schedule and much easier on the wallet than what the cost of neglecting them could be. Regular fluid checks. It is vital to have your fluid levels such as your oil, transmission fluid and engine coolant checked regularly. If any of these are running low, it is important to add the required fluids immediately. Failure to do so can lead to engine failure due to overheating. Regular oil changes. The oil is the life of your engine, so firstly it is important that your engine's oil levels are sufficient enough to allow it to run smoothly. Also, the oil should be changed about every 3,000 miles to ensure its best performance and to avoid possible engine problems. Check tire pressures. Checking the amount of air in each of your tires is also an important part of vehicle maintenance. Not having the correct tire pressure can lead to excess tire wear and result in the need to change your tires more regularly. Having too much air in the tires can also be a problem, as it can leave the tires more prone to blowing out. You can check the ideal tire pressures for your vehicle by referring to your vehicle handbook and is often found on a label on the driver's door. Check the engine air filter. Having a dirty air filter can shorten the life of an engine and also reduce your car's gas mileage by up to 10%. Addressing these maintenance tasks on a regular basis will reduce the chances of more serious problems occurring with your vehicle. Call CA Dave right now and schedule your next auto service. Let Dave and the folks at Wagner's Complete Auto and Tire take care of these and all your auto maintenance needs. Visit our new location at 5677 Jensen Drive in Loves Park, Wagner's Complete Auto and Tire, Inc. Call and make your next appointment now. 815-494-0076 We look forward to seeing you soon. Wagner's Complete Auto and Tire.com.